Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Music Bass. In this lesson, I will be showing you how I play the Alfie Agius bass line in One Thing Leads to Another by the Fixx. Now, the reason you don't hear this kind of bass groove in later recordings by the Fixx is because Alfie left the group after playing on the Beach album, which, by the way, was their most successful album. My bass is tuned standard E-A-D-G, and the key is B flat minor. Now, I'll be picking the notes with my thumb and index finger, and I'll be placing my fingers sort of like this and picking like this. I'm playing it this way so I can get that upward pinch on the string like that, so I can do a down strum with my thumb and then come up like that, because I'll be playing like that. So I want to be able to peck those strings with that index finger. We'll start with the intro, which will sound something like this. Simple. We'll start with a B flat here at fret 6 on the E string, strike it again, then we'll go to fret 4 on the A string, and then back to that B flat like that. So it's, then we'll go to an A flat to a B flat like this. So that's A flat to B flat at fret 4 to 6, and then fret 4 on the A string, and then back to B flat. So it's, so once again, and that'll get us into the tune. Now for verse 1, we'll play this. In order to play that, we're going to go up to fret 6 on the E string and play what we did before. Then we'll go up to fret 6 on the D string, hammer on to fret 8 with a pluck, like that. Then we'll go down to fret 6 on the A string, fret 4, and then, so here we go. We'll repeat that for verse 1. Okay. Now for chorus 1, and here's what we'll play. Now, in order to play that, we're going to start at fret 6 on the E string, then we'll go to the D string, fret 3, and bounce back and forth from fret 3 on the D string to fret 4 on the A string, like this. Notice that I plucked with my index finger and played down with my thumb, like that. Then I'm going to slide from fret 3 to fret 4 on the A string into an octave, like that. Then I'll go back to the E string, and then I'll hammer on from fret 3 to fret 4 on the A string, and then I'll pluck and hammer on from fret 6 to 8 on the D string, like that. So with my thumb, we're going to hammer on from fret 3 to 4, then go and pluck at fret 6 to 8 with the index finger. So here's the entire thing. Now every time I hit that E string at fret 6, I'm going to slide down like that as I go to that note right there. We'll play verse 2 the same way we played verse 1, except we'll have a variation on the end of it. So it'll be played this way. Here's our variation. So for that variation we did this. We went to our E string, fret 6, fret 4 on the A string, back to the E string, then we'll slide from fret 3 to fret 4 on the A string. So it's, then we'll go to the D string, fret 6, pluck it, fret 6 on the A string. Then we'll go to fret 8 on the D string, strike it, and come down. And then we'll land on the B flat. So it's just like that. And then one more time, slide down like that. Then we'll go to the chorus again, which is and once we're done with that, we'll go to our music break, which is, that's B flat. We'll do that for a while. For verse 3, we'll play the chorus riff, which is But when we come out of that, we'll do music break 2, which will sound like this. Like that. So for that music break, we just went. So that was fret 6 on the E string, fret 4 on the A string, fret 3 on the D string, and stop. So that's. And then we'll go here at that F and play. Then we'll go to fret 5, pinch the D string and the G string and move it up by 1 fret. Just do this. Like that. So it's. Then back. Now we'll play that chorus riff for a while for the ending, and then we'll do our ending riff, which will be a variation of that riff. It'll sound like this. And we'll take the song out playing that. We're starting at fret 6 on the B flat, going to that F at fret 3 on the D string, then to fret 4 on the A string. So it's. Then we'll do our slide from fret 3 to fret 4 and then the octave. Then back to fret 3, the F, A flat, and then slide from fret 6 to fret 8 on the D string and back. Like that. Here it is. And that's how we'll end the song. Well, all right, my friends, that's how I play One Thing Leads to Another on electric 4-string bass. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.